So, if you're looking for a budget smartphone that still packs solid features and modern design, the Tecno Spark 50 might just surprise you. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at what this phone offers, from its display, performance, cameras, all the way to battery life. Starting from the design, the Tecno Spark 50 comes with a fairly slim body at 8.2 millimeters and weighs around 210 grams. It feels solid in hand, and it already supports IP64 rating, which means it's dust-tight and resistant to water splashes. It also has some drop resistance up to 1.5 meters, which is a nice bonus for everyday durability. Moving to the display, this phone features a 6.78-inch IPS LCD panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The resolution is 720 by 1576 pixels, which is not the sharpest, but still decent for daily usage like social media, browsing, and watching videos. The smoother refresh rate definitely helps make scrolling feel more fluid. For performance, the Tecno Spark 50 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset built on a 6nm process. It comes with an octa-core CPU and Mali G57 MC2 GPU. You get options of 4GB or 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, plus microSD expansion. For everyday tasks and light gaming, this setup should handle things quite well. On the camera side, you get a 50-megapixel main camera with PDAF, which should deliver decent shots in good lighting conditions. There's also an LED flash for low-light support. For selfies, it has an 8-megapixel front camera, which is good enough for video calls and social media. For features, the phone includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, dual SIM support, Wi-Fi dual band, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB Type-C. It still keeps the 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great for users who prefer wired audio. One of the highlights is the battery. The Tecno Spark 50 packs a large 6500 mAh battery paired with 45-watt fast charging. This combination should easily last you a full day, even with heavy usage. Overall, the Tecno Spark 50 offers a solid combination of large display, smooth refresh rate, reliable performance, and massive battery, making it a strong option in the entry-level segment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.